Start by drawing the outline of the nose by using a very light pencil, preferably a 2H. You would have observed that I'm drawing the outline in a different way. This is a hack that I use for drawing the nose because since I'm a beginning sketcher, it will be hard for me to draw the shapes outright. So I usually draw the nose in the inverted position. That's easier for me. While drawing the outline, please keep in mind that you shouldn't give any sharp edges. So that's why I suggested using a light pencil. So try to give like very light outline. This we can further darken by using either a brush or a tissue. I'll be using an 8B pencil to draw the nostrils. Those are the darkest points in the drawing and also the base of the nose. Those are the two places where I'll be giving sharp marks. The other ones will be done with the help of a brush. So you guys can check out the rest of the video to see how I'll be shading those. So to shade with using a brush, you would require charcoal powder. If you can buy that, that's best. But since I also don't have that, I use my 8B graphite pencil. I'll use a blade to scrape off bits of it, and I use that as my shading material here. So I will be dipping it in that. The brush will be dipped in that, and then I'll be using that for the shading purpose. Always try to use a very high quality reference drawing for your reference. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and please check out my other videos.